My name is Peter Padalino. I'm a real estate investor from the Denver, Colorado area. Um, and I've been a coaching student with Marty and Manny for about, I guess it'd probably be about 10 weeks or so. I started the 1st of November. And in a 45-day period with Marty's guidance and Manny's input, we were able to find a property and close on it. Matter of fact, closed yesterday, and we're going to start the renovations bright and early on Monday morning. That's tomorrow morning. Anyway, a little bit about me. I'm a real estate investor. I own about 6 properties, rental properties at this point, and I'm transitioning into the fix and flip side of things. See if I can't make that work. I'm real interested in it. Obviously, it's something that I'd love to be able to do, but I also want to make sure I'm doing it right. And that's where Marty and Manny have come in. I've been looking for the right coaching and the right mentoring for a long time, and have spent a lot of money on programs that haven't quite worked out for me. But the Fix and Flip Hub community, Marty and Manny's guidance and expertise, frankly, have given me the confidence that I needed. I've been trying to figure this out for the better part of a year, and although I've gotten some deals done on the rental side, the fix and flip side has been a little bit more challenging for me, and like I said, with Marty and Manny's help and guidance and expertise, accessibility from a communication standpoint, it's been great. So I'd certainly recommend this program to any new investor who's looking to get into the fix and flip business, as well as any existing fix and flip investor that wants to hone their skills or add a few more strategies to their repertoire. I think Marty and Manny have nailed it, and I'm super excited to be part of their group. And I'm really excited to get this first deal situated and continue working with these two guys who have been a godsend for me with regard to getting me going, holding me accountable, and walking me through the process. So thanks, guys, and I'll look forward to talking again soon. I'll try to get some progress videos from the renovations that we're starting tomorrow. Thanks again.